Alright, okay guys, Mark Preston Prado. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm showing you how to turn these old ugly indicators into modern clear ones, okay? AliExpress, 20 bucks. Run the intro. Unboxing, it just comes in a plastic bag and comes with this blue tape that protects it in travel. So it should come and look pretty nice when you get it. What do you think? Which would you like better? Top or bottom? You don't need any tools. What you want to do is sort of push towards the front of the car like so. Bit of pressure. You see now mine's been through multiple mud holes. So this is like a bit more extreme than hopefully ones you guys have at home. Oh, there we go. Okay, I had to use a chisel, which isn't ideal, but mine were really stuck in there. Oh, you can hear all the mud come off. Yeah, there you go. That's why mine was hard to get off. So if you want to just change the bulb and the indicator, you just do a twist and pull out, and you can see all the mud coming off mine. So that's how you get access to the globe there. So then you just want to get the globe and pull that out, like so. So you should be able to plug this back into the same slot. So as you can see there, it works like a dream, and it's sort of like, not sure if it shows on camera, but it's flowing in from this side and curving back. So that's sort of one of the main reasons I went with this one, because it has just that bit of extra detail, and it's not just a on and off globe like some other ones. It actually got a bit of emotion there, and it also costs the same, so why wouldn't you? Okay, so I've just given this a clean with a wet rag. I've just put some tape. It looks a bit ugly, but this is just going to waterproof it a bit more and protect that connection. And I've also just put a dab of silicone around the edge as well to hold it in, and give it a bit of waterproofing. Yeah, so I'm pretty happy how that worked out. As you can see, there's quite a bit of red around the side, but that's because the old one is actually a little bit bigger, ever so slightly, I've found. And this one does have sort of a little rubber protector on it as well, so hence the silicone. Let that all dry, and then I'll touch up the paint and you won't even notice the difference. But these are a little bit smaller in diameter and width, so just keep that in mind. It does look a lot better from afar, but once that red paint's gone, it will take your eyes off that, because that's what's really sticking out to me at the moment. But really happy with that, and now we'll do the other side. Also full of mud. Alright, well, I got both indicators done now. I'm absolutely stoked with them. Hopefully you can agree. As you can see, sequential, I think it looks really good. And yeah, I can't wait to get, you know, all the paint fixed around the edge, and I think it'll come up really nice. So if you want to get some yourself, I'll link in the description. But otherwise, I'll catch you guys next time on Built Prado.